Welcome! Today we're bringing you the best kitchen gadgets. We select for you the best gadgets on Amazon and AliExpress. If you wanna buy any of them, the product link is in the description. Subscribe and watch this video till the end to discover the amazing gadgets world. Enjoy the video and thanks for watching.
Slicer cheese slicer is really handy and very, very easy to use. It features 3 different thicknesses. You just turn by adjusting the dial, as well as a nice, safe, dull blade, and just a simple push-down mechanism. First, let's just start by doing a few thick slices. You put the roller blade is going to be on the outside, and the blade is right up against the cheese. So get a nice, thick piece of cheese. And then we'll just adjust and see the complete difference in thicknesses here. So as you can see, it's perfect for making that sandwich, for a simple snack, or for presenting that perfect cheese tray.